I declared the motion educations open in the state of Goa. For the launch of the Motion Education Center in the state of Goa, along with me, Mr. Nitin Vijay, which is the NV Sir, the foundation and CEO of the Motion Education Quota, C.A. Srinivasan, the Partner Excellency Academy Goa, Dr. Swati Vijay, the Director for the Motion Education, and the rest all the dignitaries among the audience and my dear friends. And I'm happy to be present here to the launch of the Motion Education Goa Center, and I congratulate the Motion Education and Excellence Academy for bringing these initiatives to Goa. I'm warmly welcome Sri Nitin Vijay and Dr. Swati Vijay, C.A. Srinivasan, and Mrs. Khairu Mavian, especially for this excellent program they have brought to the state of Goa. Goa is already in strong educational culture and talented students who have continuously made the state proud across the different fields. And we having the good school, colleges, institutions, and dedicated teachers. Today, another institutions become the part of that journey. The more options, more academic support, and more opportunities for the students are always welcome. I'm happy to know that the Motion Education is one of the country's recognized institutions for the competitive exam preparations, has chosen the Goa for its expansion. This is the Quota's first leading coaching institutions and center in Goa in a major way. That itself says something positive about the potential people to say in our state. The students preparing for the foundation program, Olympiads, board examination, engineering, and medical entrance examination can now receive the support under one roof. I am also happy that the faculty academic system and the standards will come directly from Quota to maintain the quality. Under the energetic leadership of NV Sir, I believe the students from the Goa are in very capable hands. Friends, today the Motion Education has expanded across more than the 50 centers and helped over the 1 lakh students. The Motion has also maintained one of the highest selection rates in JEE NEET examination in recent year. I'm also happy to know that the plans are already underway to expand further into the South Goa. I also appreciate the efforts of Mr. Srinivasan CA and Mr. Khairu. Their efforts is to contribute towards the educational standard in Goa deserves the appreciation, and I assure them the full support for the every initiatives which will benefit for the students. Friends, along the serving as the Chief Minister, I also hold the educational portfolio, and I can say very honestly that the large part of my time goes into the education because wherever I meet the young people across Goa, I see the ambitious, talent, and huge potential. I have always believed that the students are the nation builders. The future of Goa is sitting in this classroom also. Under the leadership of Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji, the education has received the major importance as India moves towards the Vikasit Bharat. Goa should move alongside that journey. Students today are growing up in a very different world. Artificial intelligence, robotic, data science, semiconductor, technology, cyber security, research, the space technology, design, and several emerging sectors are creating the opportunities that many parents themselves are learning about the first time. That is why the mentorship and guides have become extremely important. The teachers play an important role. The mentors play an important role. The students need the preparation for examination, but they also need the directions. Keeping this in mind, we introduced the career counselor in school so that the student receive the proper guidance and understand the opportunities available to them before making the important decisions. We have tried to ensure that the student in Goa receive the support at every stage of their educational journey because of the talent should never stop because of the lack of information or the financial difficulties. Today, through our Goa CM Scholarship Portal, the students can access the scholarship informations and benefit in one place itself. For students pursuing the technical education, support is also being extended through the initiatives like the DG gift so that fee burden can be the easier for the families. Student planning for the higher education and research have also the greater opportunities today. Through the Manohar Parrikar's Goa Scholarship Scheme, the students pursuing the postgraduates and the PhD studies are reputed institutions in India and abroad are receiving encouragement and support. For engineering aspirants, the opportunities have expanded through the reservation support in NIT Goa. For many medical aspirants, the Goa Medical College is continuously to remain a dream destinations. We have also introduced the support for the students from the ST communities through the concessional short-term loan for the very low rate of interest through our ST corporations. Our government has worked hard to ensure no student's dream left behind because of the financial difficulties. I urge the parents to avail all the support that is available for your children. To all the students present here, I want to say one thing. The competition is always exist. Examination will come and go, but learning should never stop. Continue working hard, stay curious and keep improving yourself. I once again congratulations for the Motion Education Excellence Academy, Goa and NVSA faculty members, the parents and everyone associated with these initiatives. The Goa has the talent, Goa has the ambitions, and I am confident these institutions will produce the capable and successful doctors and engineers. I wish all the best once again to all of you. Thank you, one and all.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.